Hey, honey buns. If Monday's got you feeling the blues, Bollywood's here to spice things up a bit with all the juiciest headlines of the day. From Saif Ali Khan withdrawing his controversial statement to Anurag Kashyap and Anil Kapoor roasting each other, celebs standing up for the farmers, Alia Bhatt commencing RRR shoot. We've got all this and lot more, so stick around. In case you all spaced out over the weekend, an entire controversy got stirred up on social media. Lucky for you, this bee is keeping track. Saif Ali Khan was in the eye of a social media storm after his comments about portraying the mythological villain Ravan more humane in his next Adipurush. Sharing his excitement about playing the Demon King, Saif revealed, "We will make him humane, up the entertainment quotient, justify his abduction of Sita and the war with Ram as a revenge for what was done to his sister Surpanakha by Lakshman, who cut off her nose." Following the backlash, the actor released a statement apologizing for hurting people's sentiments and withdrew his statements. "This was never my intention or meant that way. I would like to sincerely apologize to everybody and withdraw my statement." Last Friday, our Bees brought you news of Varun Dhawan and Jug Jug Jio co-star Neetu Kapoor contracting COVID-19 while shooting for the film. Today, the actor kept it real and shared the update with all his fans while encouraging everyone to stay safe and take the necessary precautionary measures. He informed fans all precautions were taken by the production, but still nothing is certain in life, especially not COVID-19. So please be extra careful. I believe I could have been more careful. Varun even thanked his fans for lifting his spirits with all their notes of love and sweet get well soon messages. Here's an added virtual hug just for you, Varun. One star not feeling particularly joyous was director Abhishek Kapoor as his film Kedarnath completed 2 years today. The director took to his handle to pay tribute to the late Sushant Singh Rajput. Sharing throwback photos from the sets, he captioned it with 2 lines from the song Namo Namo with a heartbroken emoticon. Soon after he tweeted the pics, Sushant's fans were left teary-eyed. While some commented never thought he wouldn't be here to celebrate this, another fan wrote, "Thank you Gattu sir for being one of the very few people who understood Sushant both as an artist and a beautiful human." After that heated Kangna vs Diljit Twitter battle, fans on social media thought they had to brace themselves for another controversy when Anurag Kashyap took on Anil Kapoor with some eye-popping tweets. It started with Anil congratulating Shefali Shah for her Emmy Award win, but things seemed to spiral off track with Anurag replying to the tweet saying, "Nice to see some deserving people get international recognition. वैसे आपका Oscar किधर है? No? अच्छा nomination?" While our bees were going oh snap, Anil hit back with a fiery reply of his own. This exchange turned into a Twitter roast no one saw coming. And lucky for us, this was just a promotional stunt for their upcoming project. You got us with that one. Speaking of films, Alia Bhatt has finally joined the cast of RRR and we got the first pictures. The actress who's been spending the past months perfecting the role received a warm welcome from the team. We even got word that the actress is set to play a character named Sita in the upcoming S.S. Rajamouli's directorial. Apart from the glitzy and glamorous updates, Bollywood stars are also doing their bit to lend their star power and support to the farmers protesting against the farm laws passed by the central government. From Diljit Dosanjh to Priyanka Chopra, Sonam Kapoor, Ritesh Deshmukh, Taapsee Pannu, Sonu Sood, Swara Bhaskar, Hansal Mehta and many more took to their respective social handles to lend their support to the ongoing protest. That's all for today, folks, but the week is long and full of promises, so we'll see you all on Tuesday, same time, same place. Bye-bye.